This is Eon Raven's tutorial for using Chauvet's COLORstrip and COLORstrip Mini with the DMX BLACKBIRD PFX edition. Chauvet's COLORstrip and COLORstrip Mini are very popular bar lights, and they're terrific lights, but they have one serious drawback, an unconventional DMX implementation. Using a standard DMX controller is nearly impossible with these fixtures, and the reason is that there is only one DMX mode with 4 channels, and the first channel determines the mode of the other 3 based on its value. This is very problematic with standard DMX controllers. But the COLORstrips work perfectly well with the DMX BLACKBIRD PFX edition, and I'm going to show you exactly how to configure it. The user interface on light fixtures are all kind of cryptic and confusing, and this one is no different. Here's what you do. First, plug it in and wait for the 2 boot flashes. The second flash takes about 15 seconds to appear, and it lasts for about 5. There it is. Now press the mode button until you see SYS or ACT. Pressing the up and down button toggles between the 2. When you have SYS displayed, hit the enter button. You can now choose between SDAD and SAAD using the up and down buttons. When you have SDAD displayed, press enter, and you can now set the start address using the up and down buttons. Now I'm not sure if this is true of all COLORstrips, but on this one Chauvet has switched the up and down buttons, so be careful of that. If you're using the COLORstrip in the all-in-one performance style, set the start address to 37. Press enter and plug in your DMX cables or wireless dongles. And that's it, you're done configuring the light. You now have complete RGB control in color assign mode and fantastic performance in sound reactive mode. If you have 4 or more COLORstrips, you can take advantage of the static banks or dynamic banks performance styles. Just set each COLORstrip to its proper start address. If you're using them strictly for mood or uplighting with no sound reactivity, set them to start address 415. They'll just display the color you dial in with the knobs, even if you have other pars set to the reactive styles. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I especially hope you get a lot more use out of your COLORstrips as a result. Thanks for watching.